Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about Forever C+. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Content of this video is going to be firstly, I will talk about ingredients of Forever C+. After that, health benefits of this product and how to use it. I'll tell you all these things in detail. So, as you must be knowing from the name itself, C plus means that it is a rich source of vitamin C. Okay. Now let's talk about its ingredients. Its first key ingredient is gooseberry. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, minerals, calcium, phosphorus, iron, sodium, and it also contains curcumin, protein, carbohydrates, fiber. And the second key ingredient is hesperidin, which means whatever vitamin C rich fruits like orange, lemon, and other citric fruits, peels of those fruits has been used to make this product. So its two key ingredients are gooseberry and hesperidin. Okay. Now let's talk about health benefits of Forever C+. The first benefit is that it is high antioxidant and protect us from free radicals and radiations. Whatever free radicals and radiations come into our body from outside has huge impact on our health. We get sick easily, our age get reduced, and it cause many health problems. But if you use Forever C plus, then you will remain healthy for a long time. Okay. Next benefit, it is anti-inflammatory, helps us to reduce swelling. Next, C plus is anti-aging. Like what happens in cities mainly in today's time, many person look aged, but their age is less than their looks because our environment is not so clean. There is a huge pollution available. Next benefit, it promotes a healthy immune system because it is rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is such a thing which doesn't remain inside our body for a long time. We have to take it time to time, like we take it in synthetic form. We eat fruits, but we cannot eat citric fruits on daily basis, right? So you have two options. Firstly, you can take it in a synthetic form. Secondly, you can take it in the form of natural. Okay. And Forever Living is providing vitamin C in natural form. Okay. After that, it is good for digestive system. It is stop cancer and tumor cells to increase. Okay. Next, seventh benefit, it is the best for our urinary system, promote healthy heart health. Next benefit, it improve our brain function and it is good for our lungs, liver, kidney, bones and eyes. Like what is happening today, that people climb stairs, few stairs only, and they are panting because of air pollution and our food. So you can add this product in your daily routine to keep yourself healthy. See, this is not a medicine. This is natural form of vitamin C. Okay. After that, if I talk about next benefit, it maintains sugar and blood pressure level, BP level. It reduces bad cholesterol, stress, anxiety, and depression also. Next, 14th benefit, if you use it for longer time, then it reduces kidney stone and the nutrients which are getting destroyed gradually in our body. It maintains that also and increasing our working capacity. One more best thing is that it happens many times with ladies and gents also, that if they travel in bus or train, they start vomiting. So if you take it this before traveling, then the chances of vomiting also get reduced very much. Okay. Next benefit, everyone wants glowing and healthy skin. So this is the best product for your skin also. Like you must have seen advertisement related to skincare product. Maximum product contain vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances the natural glow and improve texture. After that, next benefit, many people smoke cigarettes. That's why vitamin C is decreasing from their body. So it maintains quantity of vitamin C in their body. And if you use this product for a longer time, then you will get relief from addiction of cigarettes and any other kind of smoking. These are the health benefits of Forever C plus. Now let's talk about how to use Forever C plus. You can take it once or twice a day. If you are 20 plus, then you can take twice a day, but not more than this. And if your age is less than 20, then you can take it once a day only. Okay, you can take it anytime, but if you take it 1 hour after your breakfast or lunch, then it is best for you. 1 hour gap between food and C plus is very important. Keep in mind this. Okay, you have to take it like orange toffee, put it on your tongue and suck it. Okay, every age group person can take it, whether gym person, athlete, or a normal human being. Okay, if you have any query related to any product to Forever Living Product International, like price, or you want to use any product or order any original product, or want to know the process to order the product by yourself, then you can fill the form given in the description. I'll provide you proper information for free. Okay, so if you really like the information about Forever C Plus, then you can share this video to your teammates, friends, and family. And you can subscribe to this channel for more product information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, then you can share your experience in the comments. See you all in next video. Stay tuned.